Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add your Navigo card to Apple Wallet. Alright, let's begin. So what you're going to do firstly is to just go into your settings app on your phone. And as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down in here, and then you're going to click where it says Wallet and Apple Pay, as you can see. So just click on Wallet and Apple Pay. And in here, you will be able to see all the cards that you currently have linked to your Apple Wallet or to your Apple Pay, obviously. So in here, you're just going to click on Add Card. So click on Add Card. And then for this one, as a Navigo card, it's a travel card. So click on Travel Card. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page. Now in here, you can search for Navigo. So just click on it. And then you will be able to scan your card. And after that, you will be able to add your Navigo card to your Apple Wallet. So that's basically how you can add your Navigo card to Apple Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.